Hey there! Welcome to this quick and exciting journey into the world of WordPress. Today, we'll find out what WordPress is, why it's so insanely popular, and why it could be the perfect choice for building your dream website. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is WordPress? It's a free, open-source content management system, meaning you can create beautiful websites without writing a single line of code. Launched in 2003 by Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little, WordPress actually started as a simple blogging tool. Fast forward to today, it's a global powerhouse. Why should you care? Because WordPress makes website building so easy. You start with a blank canvas and simply drag, drop, and create. No tech wizardry needed. It's perfect for beginners and pros. One of the coolest things about WordPress, it's 100% open source. Anyone, yes, even you, can use it, tweak it, and make it even better. It's built by a passionate global community that truly believes in making the web a better place for everyone. Key features of WordPress. And it gets even better. WordPress is insanely customizable. Thousands of themes and plugins are waiting for you. It's built for SEO right from the start, helping your site shine on Google. And you have full control over your content and hosting. Total freedom. Now, you might be wondering, what about Wix or Squarespace? Well, WordPress offers way more flexibility, deeper customization, and better SEO tools. Hands down, if you want a website that grows with you, WordPress is the way to go. Still not convinced? Check this out. Over 810 million websites run on WordPress today. That's about 43% of the entire internet. And 64.1% of all websites using a CMS rely on WordPress. It's the ultimate favorite for a reason. Behind WordPress is an amazing, massive community. Developers, designers, writers, marketers, all working together to keep it growing, evolving, and thriving. And the best part? You could be part of it too. Feeling inspired? Head over to WordPress.org and see how you can join this awesome open source movement. Trust me, your skills and passion can make a real difference. So there you have it. WordPress is powerful, flexible, and built for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to create the next big thing, WordPress has your back. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web building tips. See you next time.